Are robots coming to take our jobs? I'm Dr. Eleanor Sandry, and I work in media, creative arts and social inquiry at Curtin University. So although I'm from the humanities, actually my research involves looking at human-robot interactions and communication, both now and into the future. I think that robots are definitely going to change workplaces, and they're probably going to change the job market. It's important to remember that while some people suggest that maybe anything between around 20% and 47% of jobs in the US might go because of robots and automation, other people are looking at the situation and making arguments about how new jobs will arise. People are going to have to make those robots and autonomous systems, after all, and also maintain them and make sure that they're working correctly. In a really interesting and kind of extreme example, robots can even allow people to enter the workplace who wouldn't actually be able to on their own. So in Japan, there is an example of a cafe which is staffed by robots, and those robots are actually being operated, so teleoperated from a distance, by paralysed people. These are people who would not be able to be working, and robots have made it possible for them to enter the workplace. In fact, there are often situations where robots and humans working alongside one another are able to be more effective. We're beginning to see that on some types of assembly line, where the skills and abilities of a robot and a human are combined in order to complete a task. So the idea of the cobot, the robot that you actually work with, is quite a strong one at the moment. And the idea of cooperative working with machines in general is seen as becoming increasingly important now that people are realizing that you can't always rely on an autonomous system to make the right decision all of the time. Importantly, we need to remember that all decisions about who is in the workplace or what is in the workplace are actually down to humans right now. There is definitely time for us to make a choice now about how we want the workplace of the future to operate.